Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import products from Shopify with Jotform. This is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to quickly create order forms or product catalogs without manually entering every single item. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard where all your forms are stored. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Jotform dashboard displaying all your existing forms. Here you have two options. You can either select an existing form that you want to add products to by clicking on it and then hitting the Edit Form button, or you can create a brand new form from scratch. For this tutorial, let's assume you're working with an existing form, so go ahead and click Edit Form. This will open the form builder where you can customize your form's layout and elements. Now that you're in the form builder, look for the Add Element button. This is typically located on the left side of your screen. Click on it and you'll see various tabs with different form elements. Navigate to the Basic tab where you'll find commonly used form fields. Scroll through the options until you locate Product List, then click on it to add this element to your form. The Product List field is specifically designed to handle multiple products with pricing and images, making it perfect for our Shopify import. After adding the product list element to your form, click on the product list icon that now appears in your form. When you do this, a right panel will slide open showing various customization options for this element. In this panel, look for an option labeled Import and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to bring in products from external sources rather than adding them one by one. A new window will appear showing different import options. From this list, select Shopify. You'll then see an option that says Drop your Shopify CSV here. You can either click this area to browse for your exported CSV file on your computer, or simply drag and drop your Shopify CSV file directly into this zone. Once your file is uploaded, click Continue to proceed to the mapping stage. Jotform will now automatically attempt to map the fields from your CSV to the appropriate form fields. You'll see a preview showing how columns like title, price, and image have been matched. This auto-mapping feature saves you tons of time by intelligently recognizing common field names. Review these mappings to ensure everything looks correct, then click Review and Import to move forward. Before finalizing the import, Jotform gives you one more chance to review your products. You'll see a list of all items from your CSV file. If there are any products you don't want to include in your form, simply uncheck the boxes next to those items. This is particularly helpful if your CSV contains draft products or items you're not ready to offer yet. Once you've made your selections, click Import. The system will process your import, which should only take a few moments depending on how many products you're bringing in. When the import is complete, you'll see a success message. Click OK to close this confirmation window. Now all your selected Shopify products will appear in your product list element, complete with names, prices, and images if they were included in your CSV. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your Shopify products into Jotform, saving yourself hours of manual data entry. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.